SMF MMTs, good morning. We're 8:04 Pacific Standard Time, and I've got the TQQQ chart. That's this chart right here. Okay, and basically I've got the Nasdaq 100 chart right up here. And over here in the video, I've got the VXN, the fear indicator. And what I'm going to show is that when the fear indicator is breaking higher, the Nasdaq 100 right here sold all the way off going down. So when that breaks higher, market sell off. Equities are good to short when that is happening. When this comes back down, this would go back up. The other part of this trade right here, MMTs, is when the Nasdaq 100 is going to go down in value right here. This is the Nasdaq 100 short. The bull, TQQQ, which is related to the Nasdaq 100, it's also related to the fear indicator. So when the fear indicator goes higher, the bull is a short intraday. And you can buy puts on the TQQ intraday at that point, or you can short it outright. And the TQQQ right now, if you look in our brain here, you can see that it's really fallen off the highs. 146.62 and the low right now is 140. That's a $3 short. So when that went down, when the fear indicator over here, the VXN, that's the equals the fear indicator for this Nasdaq 100 right here. This is the Nasdaq 100. That breaks down, this breaks out, and the bull breaks down at the same time. You measure your trades, you know where to be short on the intraday level by using the bull collapse, short that bull down, that breaks out, short the bull, and when the Nasdaq goes along, it sells off first, and then the bull follows the move right here, MMTs. Look, you can see here. Let me highlight the two charts, okay? So basically what you want to see here is this. You want to see the collapse. And the collapse is right here, and the bull collapsed, and then right here, the fear indicator breaks out. And that's how you know how to gauge selling short, knowing that stocks are just simply going to roll over. So this is breaking out all the way back up to the highs. And it's very important for you to know how they work and what the relationship is with the bull. The bull has a relationship, the TQQ has a relationship with the VXN, the fear indicator. It also has the relationship with the Nasdaq 100. And all of them intertwine with one another. So when I break higher here, I'm going to come off the low of the bull. So the bull short was over, and this is the bottom low right now. So when this goes down, as it's starting to get weak, you can see where the move off the bottom is occurring now in the Nasdaq 100. The IUXXX, that's what it means, Nasdaq 100. This is the mathematical platform that SMF market makers use. And it's directional movement. So now that was a great short there, and I'm starting to pop up. So we look for the relationships, knowing when to enter, when to exit, and do everything using the bull, the VXN, and the Nasdaq 100.